Hello everyone and welcome to our next session on ReactJS, Keys. Introduction to React Keys. Keys are a crucial aspect of handling lists in React. They help identify which items have changed, been added or removed, thereby optimizing rendering performance and reconciliation. Each child in a list should have a unique key prop. Why are keys important? Keys are essential in React for several reasons. First, efficient re-rendering. Keys help React identify which items in a list have changed, been added or removed, enabling efficient updates and reducing unnecessary re-renders. This makes your application faster and more responsive. Second, maintaining component state. Keys help maintain the state of components across renders. When the key of a component changes, React will create a new component instance rather than update the existing one. This is crucial for preserving user input and other stateful interactions. Third, enhancing user experience. By using keys, you ensure smooth and predictable updates to the UI. This enhances the user experience by avoiding flickers and other rendering issues. Additionally, keys are vital for optimized reconciliation. They allow React to compare the virtual DOM with the real DOM efficiently and update only the parts of the UI that have changed rather than re-rendering the entire list. Lastly, keys provide stability and predictability. Unique keys ensure that the application behaves predictably. Without proper keys, components may reuse existing DOM elements unpredictably, leading to unexpected behaviors and bugs. In summary, using keys correctly is crucial for building efficient, stable, and user-friendly React applications. Common pitfalls with keys. When working with keys in React, there are some common pitfalls to avoid. First, using index as a key. While using the index of an array as a key is easy, it can lead to issues when the order of items changes. This can cause unnecessary re-renders and loss of component state. For instance, if items are reordered or filtered, React might confuse items, leading to bugs. Second, non-unique keys. Ensure that keys are unique within a list to avoid rendering issues. Duplicate keys can cause React to misidentify components, leading to rendering errors and state issues. Third, changing keys dynamically. Avoid changing keys dynamically unless necessary. Changing keys will force React to unmount and remount components, which can lead to performance issues and loss of state. This disrupts the user experience and can cause unexpected behaviors. Fourth, large lists without unique identifiers. For large lists where unique identifiers are not available, generating unique keys can be challenging but necessary. Without unique keys, performance bottlenecks and incorrect rendering can occur, especially during frequent updates. Lastly, performance overheads with complex keys. Using complex or calculated keys might introduce performance overhead. Always aim for simple, unique keys for optimal performance. Complex keys can slow down your application and make the code harder to maintain. By understanding and avoiding these common pitfalls, you can ensure that your React applications are performant, reliable, and maintain a consistent user experience. Example of using keys. Consider an array of items that we want to render as a list of li tag elements. We can achieve this by using the map method to iterate over the array and return a list of JSX elements with keys. In the example code, we define an array of items containing strings. We then use the map method to iterate over the items array. For each item, we return an li tag element with the item's value as its content. We use the index parameter as the key for each list item. While this works, it is generally better to use unique identifiers for keys. The key prop. The key prop is a special attribute that React uses to identify elements in lists. Each child in a list should have a unique key prop to optimize rendering performance and reconciliation. Keys help React identify which items have changed, been added, or been removed. Using keys. In the previous example, we used the index parameter of the map method as a key for each list item. While this is acceptable for simple lists where the order of items is unlikely to change, it's generally better to use a unique identifier from your data as the key. This enhances React's ability to efficiently update the list. Let's modify our previous example to use unique keys based on the item's value instead of the index. In this modified example, we have defined an array named items, each containing objects, with each object having a unique ID property. As we iterate over the items array using the map method, we now assign the ID property of each object as the key for the corresponding li tag element. This ensures that each list item has a unique identifier, enhancing React's ability to efficiently update the list. In conclusion, using unique keys is essential for optimizing rendering performance and reconciliation in React. By assigning unique identifiers as keys, we can efficiently manage dynamic lists of data in our React applications. That's all for this session. Thank you.